What is this?
It's a thingamabob I made out of toothpicks and marshmallows. And I don't know how I came up with the idea, but I made it able to.
They didn't teach you how to do this? You just thought it up on your own?
Yep. So it can twist and turn.
Slow it down for me. So it's big and then it gets smaller. That's really cool. Marshmallows and toothpicks, huh?
Yep.
And what was the assignment they gave you?
You had to make a building out of toothpicks and marshmallows that could withstand an earthquake.
Oh. So when there's no earthquake, it's open all the way, right? And when an earthquake's coming, you collapse it down and make it smaller and tighter and stronger, right?
Well, I didn't find out that it could do this until I had found out that it could stand an earthquake.
That's cool.
So I actually didn't know that.
And this is your earth science class?
Yep.
Nice. That's cool. It's a little bit like a transformer too, huh?
Mhm.
Thanks for showing it. You gonna say hi to Uncle Chester and Uncle Geoff?
Hi.
Tell them how you're gonna be an engineer.
I don't know if I am.
You don't know? What are you gonna be?
I don't know.
You don't know yet?
Nope.
Just let it happen?
Yep.
I like it.